Hey, great people, welcome to Forever's Guide. How you guys doing? Thanks for tuning in. So, guys, I'm going to be showing you this amazing scrapbook, and it is no other than Father's Day. Every 5th of December is the Father's Day in Thailand, but we still have Father's Day coming up the next year. Wherever you are, you can use this idea into your classroom and even with your children at home. Them seeing something like this, they'll be excited to craft out something to their lovely daddy. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Just take a good look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So I asked my student, because there was Father's Day on the 5th of December, so I gave them an activity and they did it. A very good job. So we're going to explore it together. Are you ready to see it? Thank you for joining Forever Guide. So if you are thinking of the next activity to give your student, so this one is a good one for you. So let's see some of the vocabulary. Like I always say, that each time I give them activities like this, there is this word we follow. One, they must give me 15 to 20 vocabulary of this topic, of the set topic. 15 to 20 vocabulary in English and in Thai. Number two, they have to give me 5 sentences from this topic, from the topic given. And number three, they are also supposed to give me 5 question and answers. And I added a new one this term. I told them to give me the history of the set topic, like the holidays, like the Father's Day, Mother's Day. So today I'm bringing you the one for Father's Day. So I'm going to be showing you the one for Mother's Day later on. Okay, guys, so let's look at what they gave here as vocabulary. So we're going to start with the first one. Can you see how beautiful this book is, guys? Yes, I'm so impressed. I'm so happy with the output. This is exactly what I asked them, and they did it well. So they came out with this. The first vocabulary you're going to see is empowered fathers. Yes, fathers are empowered. Yes, we also have the next vocabulary. We need to appreciate them on Father's Day. So that's the next one, is appreciation, showing them appreciation. Let's see the next card. So they put it in a card form, the kind of cards you can give them, but it is a vocabulary. So the next one is supportive. Yes, our fathers are supportive. The next vocabulary is they are caring. They show care to us. The next vocabulary. So guys, can you see this design? It's so beautiful. Isn't this book beautiful? Look at it well, guys. Just take a good look at it. Okay. So the next vocabulary is kind. Our fathers are kind. Can you guess the next? The next is gratitude. So we are showing them gratitude. So these are vocabularies you use on Father's Day. Either you're the one using the vocabulary, or they are the one that already have it. Okay, so we have present that we can give to our fathers. Many kinds of present. The next vocabulary is what? Patient. Fathers are patient. Some fathers are patient, right? So let's continue to check the rest of the vocabulary. So we're going to flip in the other side of this beautiful book. So we have fathers. Yes, so we use the word father during Father's Day. We also use the another vocabulary as protective. Yes, they are protective. Look at the next, which is we show respect to them. So we show respect, people show respect, children show respect to their fathers. Next vocabulary, let's check. We have, okay, so these are the members. This belongs to, so we're going to come to that. Let's continue with the vocabulary, guys. So the next vocabulary is Canna lily. So this is a very famous flower they always give to fathers during Father's Day. Who is your father? How can you describe your father? Is he a superhero? So that is it. So if you are checking on which kind of vocabulary to teach your children during Father's Day period, guys, check this video. Check out this video and send it to your students. Share it to your friends, your teachers, fathers, your students, even your children, them having this kind of book in their library at home makes life very fun, interesting, and very easy, guys. So is this not so helpful? Let's look at the next. Is brave. Our fathers are brave. They are brave people. Inspiration, they give inspiration to their children. So let's look at the next vocabulary. So yes, so they have given me 15 vocabulary. So these are 15 vocabulary we have looked at. Like I said, the second part of this book they have to give me is their question and answer. 5 questions and answers. So let's look at some of those questions we have and their answers. What flower is often used to symbolize Father's Day in Thailand? The answer is Kana flower, okay? Number 2, what is a common activity people do on Father's Day in Thailand? The answer is giving a card or small gift to fathers and spending quality time together. And the third question is, how can you show appreciation to your father on Father's Day? You can show appreciation by saying, thank you, Daddy, helping with chores, or doing something kind for him. Okay, guys. The next question, when is Father's Day celebrated in Thailand? It is December 5th. And why do we celebrate Father's Day? We celebrate Father's Day to honor and show appreciation to fathers and fathers figures for their love and support. So you see the word the father figure, like it must not only be your biological father. Whoever was there or is there with you, helping you grow, is still your father. And guys, just imagine them learning sentences like this. It will stick to their brain, especially those students that are learning English as their second language. So if you are looking for what kind of questions to ask your children during Father's Day, this book is for you. Just give them this video. Tell them, please produce something like this. You are free, guys. You are free to produce similar, the same as mode and mode. I don't have any problem. I'll be instead glad to see that you did it. So let's look at the next sentence. So I told them to give me 5 sentences like our normal routine. The first one is Happy Father's Day. Thank you for everything you do. So remember, they have to give me these sentences in English and in Thai. The next, I love you, Dad. You're the best. The next, you are my hero, Dad. I will always try to make you proud. Isn't that so loving? Wishing you happiness and good health forever. So these are good wishes you can say to your father on Father's Day. And thank you for always supporting me, Dad. I love you so much. See, I love my students because whatever I'm teaching them, it sinks into their head. It sinks, and I'm pleased to see this output, guys. Isn't this amazing? The new part which I added in this term, like I said in the beginning when we started, is for them to give me a short story about each topic they are treating, which is like this. They give me a short story about Father's Day. So this is a very good ideal book for Father's Day. So like I remember I told you that I was going to show you those students that did this, that I asked them to do. So these are the members. You see the sector, you see where they put their names. Yeah, like I told you, all my students have their names in English. Yes, they have Thai names, but I told them you cannot be coming to learn English in my class and you'll be telling me Thai names. So you must have 2 names, your Thai nickname and your English nickname. So I gave every student in my class, all of them have English names. So here are their names: Rita, Vivian. She wanted to write Angelina. She wrote Argentina. Don't worry. Gael, Nicole. Don't mind. She's supposed to write small letters. Remember, they are students learning English as their second language. So they are really trying. They are really doing a great job. So, guys, this book is for you, the teacher. So yeah, it's a surprise. They wanted me to see their daddy. So these are their fathers, their real fathers that they wrote. My father. So 3 of them showed the pictures of their father, and the other told me that it's okay, I don't want to say it. So guys, is this book helpful? Yes, for sure. It's very, very helpful and clear. You can see it vividly. So if you are thinking of what to do, if you are thinking of what activity you can give your student for Father's Day, this book is for you. So do not hesitate to share it to your students to see the example of what you want them to do. They will get it vividly and very clear, and even do more modification on this beautiful book. So I remain your guardian in everything that has to do with English and also anything that has to do with learning, guys. So okay, we have come to the end of this book. If this is your first time of tuning into Forever Guide, thank you for coming. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Please, before ending this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that if another new update come, you'll be the first to be notified. And I'll see you then. See you again another time. Bye, and thanks for watching. God bless you. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye.